religion, science, spirituality. Which is the powerful?
Spirituality is powerful.
Good. Religion teach you that God is in heaven.
Yeah.
Science teach you that God is everywhere.
Yeah.
Energy, it cannot be created, not be destroyed. It's responsible for everything that vibrates around us. Spirituality teach you that God cannot be seen. It's the force that we call on to, and it makes things happen to us. Science also makes us understand that when you put up our wish there, the moment our mind keep thinking about something, I want this, that thing comes to materialization. But you know what religion does? Religion limits you from the power of your mind to the power of your action. And so they kill your mind and ask you to act a certain way. Which your mind should be the one that push you to act. And so your mind is no longer your mind. Your mind is now being controlled, and you start acting a certain way without getting the desired result. Spirituality tell you that you are in control of your mind and your true essence. And because you are in control of your mind, that when somebody wants to get you angry, you are relaxed. You breathe in. The outcome of that is peace. But religion tell you, no, don't do this. You cannot be insulted. You cannot insult Muhammad. You cannot insult Jesus Christ. You cannot insult this. And you want to defend what goes in, it leads to argument, from argument to fight. If it does not lead to fight, malice. So religion is constantly controlling us. Spirituality is giving us the power to control. Science is giving us the power to control and make. Because I want to understand what thing has religion actually created. Nothing. Yet the religious say that they need a laptop to do their brainstorming, to save all the information they think they want. They need lights, they need camera. Science made that possible. Religion have never given us anything. And that is why in the water, despite the fact that I'm a founder of religion, in my religion we teach what is called common spiritual common sense. Don't expect that the spirit is going to bless you with wealth. I tell my members, everybody is not permitted to be rich. Religion will tell you that, Naomi, you know, God has destined you to be in Lagos, you know, to live in this beautiful apartment, this nice life. Who told you? It was not God, though. You think it was God that said both of us should marry? No. If when we were dating, I abused you, would you have married me? So your decision to make me your husband is why you are in this place. And you are in this place because the man you decided to marry is a man that have prospect for a life like this. And because you yourself, you have a prospect to live this kind of beautiful life also, there is a hidden vibration of energy that when both of us met, you had some appalling characters. I had some appalling character, but there was a spark of energy that attracted itself. For the prize ahead, he laid his life down for what we are not in control of. For one day we never knew I was going to be in this apartment, but there is an energy that is aware of it. We did what? We connected, and we are here. And that's why I tell you, and I tell you to teach my children, and what do you say? Thank you. And what is the prayer? For whatever thing responsible for where I am today, that I am not under the bridge. Whoever you are, let me just call you the ancient spirit. Ancient signify old. Thank you. And that's why when you watch the secret, he said, gratitude is a form of worship. Gratitude is not telling your members to come and give you money. No. Gratitude is that when I met Uzih, my life changed. Sir, God bless you. Take this. Even Jesus Christ said, where are the remaining 9?